my lovely sad friends, and on the mix we have Nadia. And she's speaking about what she basically had saw with Donna, and she had these questions. She's saying basically, is Donna going through moments of torment? Is there something going on with her? Because lately she's not seen the Donna that she used to see. She said even though she just started watching her and she doesn't know much about her, she wants this question to be answered. And she was asking, what do you feel about it if that's the way you think so? Guys, go and catch the video and hear what she has to say about Donna. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday! It's your birthday. It is an extremely wonderful day today. It is Easter Sunday. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. And for all my lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my subscribers, my friends, have yourselves a wonderful Easter and live your life as you should in a way that is pleasing to you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day today.
Really know much about Donna, As me say, me just start watch her since last year. A friend brought up her name and me say, make me look to see what's happening. And then I would create some blogs on her to put out how me admire what she's doing and all of that. But then persons start sending me a whole lot of private messages to say, Dan man, girlfriend. A lot of the things them where whatever are not true. Me no fi caught up in it. No go so. So many persons write different things. But the psychology in me say me I go dig. And me love to see things play out. But me I watch Donna from the other day in a some somber mood. Because somebody write me the other day to say, if you watch keenly because it is alleged that she robbed a whole lot of people and a lot of people are watch for see retribution. But because people say me do a lot of things and I get retribution because me sick. The only good way me know say me do, I suck bamboo and take care of people and them pick me. Me hear say me do retribution. So when people talk things about people not easy. But Donna with this whole heap of sobbing, is Donna a Christian? I don't know. This whole heap of sobbing and this whole heap of Christian and this whole heap of whatever. What is happening? Because it don't look to me like a place of peace. Donna look to me like a place of torment, like she's torment. What is happening? What is the story with Planka Nation and them boss? Then I saw a clip of something a while ago of a disabled man in Canada who said they send a whole lot of money to Donna agency, to Donna Nation. I never realized that it was fake and he was robbed. Me no know. When Donna collect the money, isn't it a whole lot of people around her who would have whatever? Or if she collect $100, a 10 go to the public. Me no know. Is Donna charity a licensed charity body? What is this story? What is it? There's a lot of you who are writing to me wanting me to buy a house for you in Jamaica, to fix house, to do. I don't handle people money, Please. Get that out of your head. I was saying to my husband this morning, why are these people contacting me? Why don't they contact Donna? You all need to contact Donna, let Donna handle your business. I don't handle people money. Any money you no send, come give me, I go use it for myself. Any money you no send, come give me, I go use it for myself. If me go collect money, I for myself. But what is it with Donna? Donna come across to me like she's very tormented. Why Donna walk up and she a cry, she a drive, she a ball. She a cook, she a ball. What is this whole thing with Donna? It don't look peaceable to me. Look like, is it Donna going through a state of torment, as persons are saying? What are your views?